कसले सीएमएल
ना तर भितर टॉयलेट बी ना म्हणून
कोणी
इन्स्पेक्शन
सांगला
जावपाक
कोणी सांगला खंयची नोटीस आयली कितें आयला न्ही आं अरे ती मेंटेनन्सा गेल्या ताका तें सर्विसींग आसता तेजें कळ्ळें तुका आनी तो हो डल सिजन तेन्नाच करपा आसता
आमोणा करतात
म्हण ते आमोणा तेजें काम चालू आहा आतां तूं म्हणटा इलिगल आसला कोणें नोटीस दिल्या खंय आयला नोटीस कोणा तुमकां कितें आयला आं तो कोण तरी वयता आनी CRZ कंप्लेन करता आनी तो येता आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करता ते कितें अर्थ आमकां कांय येवना अजून नोटीस तेका कितें आयल्या आनी म्हाजें तेका सरळ सांगपाचें कितें आहा तें कायद्यान करप कायद्यान ना तें करपच न्ही तो बिजनस गेल्या जाता पूण कायद्यान आहा तें करप सगळीं कायद्यान परमिशनां घेवन करपाचें कळ्ळें आतां CRZ म्हाका अजून खबर ना की खंयच्या तुगेलें कजिनो इतली घातलेल्या कोणाक CRZ परमिशन मेळ्ळा काय म्हणून या खंयच्या जेटीक परमिशन मेळ्ळा काय म्हणून
कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट म्हणटा तुमकां परमिशन दिलें ना म्हणून
कोण म्हणटा
कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट
तुज्या कडेन हा रिपोर्ट
धाडला न्यूजार धाडला काल
कोणें
न्यूजार दिले कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट
तुका सांगता आसतलो म्हाका आमकां अजून काय सांगून आमकां तेजो हें येवना तुवें विचारलेलें राव रे तुवें विचारलेलें
कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्टान
कितें दिला
ब्रेकिंग केलें कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट वी हॅव नॉट गिवन परमिशन
कोण म्हणटा
कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट स्टेटमेंट केला
कोणें
कॅप्टन ऑफ कोर्ट
दिवूच शकना सांगूच शकना असो तो ताणें परमिशन दिल्लें आहा बेश्टो कितेंय सांगता
तुमचो दावा आसा की तुमी सगळी परमिशन
सगळीं घेतल्या आतां हो उलयता तें म्हाका हेजी गॅरंटी ना हो खंयचे हाडून खंय दाखयता
आमी ताका ते सांगता
ना विचार तेका
Whenever any vessel, floating pontoon or floating vessels, ask permission, we ask certain documents to ascertain that the vessel is safe to float. Okay, that documents are being prepared by the naval architect, which states that whichever vessel which wants to be permitted in the river or sea has to be stable. Stable means what? It should float safely in rough weather also, without any ingress of water during rough weather or rough sea. By looking at those stabilities and the different plans of life-saving, firefighting and various safety measures, we allow or permit them to safely anchor or float in the waters of Goa. Based on those plans, we inspect those vessels to ascertain that the construction of the vessel or pontoons are according to the plans. Okay, and once we are assured a survey is being done, then we permit them and register them.
So the floating restaurant has been that permission has been given by the board.
Yes, definitely. By looking at the different plans and by after surveying that vessel, our department have issued the permission to float safely. Okay.
Sir,
to float safely.
Yeah, sir, regards to safety, what you had taken the measures like that vessel was not having the barricading and all
No,
side.
the vessel. See, all the vessels are not having barricading, but there should be an LSA, FFA, and proper access to the vessel. Those crew who are working openly, they know exactly what are the safety things. But the passengers who are not aware of the safety are given us certain access points, okay, to enter the vessel and to sit or to roam around safely. And there are equipments, life-saving equipments provided all across the vessels, and that is in the plan. Okay, so that is the safety.
So the jetty has been given on them to rent.
Jetty part, we provisional means what? Once you acquire all the permissions from all the other authorities, then only you are allowed to construct a jetty. Okay, that is the provision. Somebody has to start somewhere. If you want to start something, somebody has to give you the permission. Since the water is the jurisdiction of captain of port, and if somebody wants to build a jetty, yeah, we say you go ahead, provided you get a permission from CRZ, from pollution board, from other concerned authorities, and then only you are allowed to construct a jetty.
So he has taken all the
That I will have to look into.